UN Security Council demands immediate Gaza ceasefire after US has abstained. United Nations Security Council adopted a resolution demanding an immediate ceasefire between Israel and Hamas and the release of all hostages after the United States abstained from the vote. Now, the White House has said final resolution did not have language the US deems essential and the vote does not represent a shift in policy. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said that the US failure to veto the resolution is a clear retreat from the previous position and would hurt war efforts against Hamas, as well as efforts to release the Israeli hostages held in Gaza. Following the UN vote, Netanyahu cancelled a visit to Washington by a high-level delegation that was due to discuss a planned Israeli military operation in the southern Gaza city of Rafah.
The UN Security Council resolution that passed today, from which the United States abstained, there were issues with which we had concerns related to that resolution. The fact that it did not condemn Hamas's terrorist attacks of October 7th, that's why we didn't vote for it. But the reason we didn't veto it is because there were also things in that resolution that were consistent with our long-term position. Most importantly, that there should be a ceasefire and that there should be a release of hostages, which is what we understood also to be the government of Israel's position.
It is a historical day for the Council. For the first time ever, we sponsored and the Council adopted the resolution on the question of Palestine.
אין לנו זכות מוסרית לעצור את המלחמה בעזה עד אשר נחזיר את כל החטופים אל ביתם. אם לא נשיג הכרעה ברורה ומוחלטת בעזה, זה עלול לקרב מלחמה מצפון.